In this video, we will introduce the prep for new CompTIA Linux plus V8 XK0-006 exam. What is CompTIA Linux plus V8 XK0-006 exam? CompTIA Linux plus V8 exam details. CompTIA Linux plus V8 skills learned. CompTIA Linux plus V8 exam objectives. Tips to pass Linux plus V8. 1. When attempting to terminate a process by name rather than PID, which command is most suitable to ensure all instances are stopped at once? A. Kill process name. B. PSEF, grep process name. C. Kill all process name. D. Terminate process name. 2. A systems administrator is deploying a new custom application. Which of the following commands in the ~bashrc file will add $home bin to the path variable? A. Path equals bin $path export path. B. Export $path equals bin $path. C. Export path equals bin $path. D. Path equals bin export $path. 3. A systems administrator is writing a new Python script. Which of the following should the administrator place as the first line? A. Hash usr bin python 3. B. Hash usr bin python 3. C. Hash usr bin python 3. D. Hash usr bin python 3. 4. A Linux administrator installs the HTTPD service but wants to prevent it from running until it is configured. Which of the following is the best way to accomplish this task? A. systemctl mask HTTPD. B. systemctl disable HTTPD. C. systemctl stop HTTPD. D. systemctl reload HTTPD. 5. What command sequence would best be used to create a compressed backup archive of etc. and store it in /backup/etc.tar gz? A. cp etc/backup/etc.tar gz. B. gzip etc. greater than /backup/etc.tar gz. C. tar czf/backup/etc.tar gz, etc. D. backup etc. to /backup/etc.tar gz. 6. A DevOps engineer wants to make a copy of a coworker's existing repositories to a sandbox machine. Which of the following commands should the engineer use to accomplish this task? A. Git fetch. B. Git checkout. C. Git retrieve. D. Git clone. 7. Which of the following best describes the role of initerd? A. It is required to connect to the system via SSH. B. It contains basic kernel modules and drivers required to start the system. C. It contains trusted certificates and secret keys of the system. D. It is required to initialize a random device within a Linux system. 8. A Linux software developer wants to use AI to optimize source code used in a commercial product. Which of the following steps should the developer take first? A. Research which of the available AI chatbots are best at optimizing source code. B. Verify that the company has a policy governing the use of AI in software development. C. Install a private LLM to use on the internal network for source code optimization. D. Use open source LLMs that undergo regular security reviews by the community. 9. Why would an organization implement infrastructure as code (IAC) practices in a Linux cloud environment? A. To simplify patch management for mobile devices. B. To delegate scripting tasks to non-technical users. C. To version, replicate, and scale infrastructure efficiently. D. To avoid the need for any configuration files. 10. A Linux administrator creates a bash script that gets flagged by the cd lint check as using deprecated syntax for the following line. my_var equals _grep I user1 users.txt . Which of the following should the administrator use to avoid the deprecation notice in the script? A. my_var equals cat users.txt, grep I user1 . B. my_var equals grep I user1 users.txt. C. my_var equals grep I user1 users.txt. D. my_var equals $grep I user1 users.txt. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.